everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessie. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 teenagers. I have a little pug named Sammy, who's probably the one making that noise right now. I have a all-day whole house clean with me that I'm going to do for you guys. Hope you guys get some cleaning motivation. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I was pleasantly surprised with how much mess was under there. I thought it was going to be a huge, complete disaster. I thought it was going to be embarrassing. I didn't know what was going to be under there. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. And yeah, I almost threw away my Ray Dunn pen. I would have been so sad if I had thrown that away. But yeah, there wasn't too much underneath the couches. I was really, because I have not moved these. These have not been moved since probably pre-YouTube. So like September, October, maybe over the summer, was the last time I moved the couches and checked underneath. So yeah, I was pleasantly surprised.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us, where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
I had to do a close-up of all the gross dirt and things that were under the couch because the dirt likes to blend in with my carpet. So I need to do a very thorough vacuum, and then I'm going to even get my Roomba out to kind of vacuum while I'm working on other things in the room.
And I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to?
And another close-up of all the gross pet hair and things that accumulate on the windowsills. Yeah, look how gross that is. Embarrassing, but hey guys, like, you know, the camera doesn't catch all the dirt, so sometimes I gotta do close-ups.
I have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow?
My husband and I actually built this table ourselves. I could not find one that I wanted in the right dimensions, so we just kind of threw this one together, and it fits behind our couch perfectly. And yeah, I don't know, it just makes me kind of proud that we built this.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't
So I was very surprised at how little crumbs there was underneath the couch cushions, because we eat on our couch a lot. We are couch eaters, and there was not as many crumbs or food particles underneath the cushions. I was honestly surprised.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no, but you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can help my own frustration. it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. Girl, can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah.
Sammy actually loves getting dressed up. He loves being hugged by shirts and costumes and things like that. So this was not torturing him. He actually enjoys wearing this kind of stuff, but I've never really showed it in any of my videos.
I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation.
This is another one of my little drop spot areas in my house. This is the bills desk, as I like to call it, where all our bills and paperwork and things go. And yeah, I hadn't organized it in quite a while, and I figured it was time to put things away, put things back where they need to go, file things away, and wipe it down so it can actually be a nice clean spot to dump more bills and paper and mail for me to later go through again.
Like it. Tell me if you like me too. I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not.
I wish I could do dishes this fast. Like, really, I wish that was a superpower.
Not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try.
It was time to go through the shoe basket again. My son has a shoe obsession. As you can see, his are lined up there. They're all Vans. Yeah, he needs to not buy any more shoes. I'm not letting him buy any more shoes. That's crazy, but I guess teenagers, right?
On my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Not giving up. Dream,
that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
What is it about children when they can't put the clothes back in the basket? The basket's right there. It's right there.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice. But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
When I had removed the rug, I noticed there was a little bit of dirt accumulating in the corner, so I used some of this mildew bleach looking stuff to scrub it off and wipe it down. That way nothing kind of gross grows in the corner.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are.
And like the dishes, I wish I could fold clothes this fast.
I could be running or chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time.
So Sam was sleeping all cuddly and all cute, so I didn't want to move him from his little spot to make the bed. But yeah, I don't always make my bed. I don't make my bed first thing in the morning, so I'm not too fussed about it. The sheets are clean, everything's clean. I'll just deal with it later.
Every time I asked you to stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game.
I always forget to wipe down the top of this cabinet, so I figured I'd get up there and give it a good clean.
Man, I really love to play. And now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh, baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh, baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can make you stay. So we fade